Here I am sitting at Terminal B. Can you imagine? We used to just hear about this. It was just a drawing, a mock-up. And now here it is, live and living color. Nice, nice terminal. Wonderful crew.
You
It's
need a
been
big band?
such a
You
good
need a big
day.
band?
You
Of 10 people
know,
or 5 people?
disembarking
How many people, sir?
has been
It
quite
was
easy.
$10 for person.
Rather enjoyed everything about sailing Virgin. The terminal is comfortable, the crew is great, the assistant to get off, you know, very good. I got wheelchair access and very smooth. The attendants are amazing. Happy, very happy. So, this is where it's at. This is what I'm loving. And this is where you should be. Think about us the next time you sail. Your plans should